Welcome back to Business Help. In this video, we're going to be going over how to make titles display at the top of all your data if you have multiple sheets and you want to print them out. So to do this, all we're going to be going over, we're going to go to the Page Layout tab, different from our Home tab. We're going to the Page Layout tab. We're down to the Page area, and we're going to go to Print Titles. So as you can see here, there's a Print Area button, which is just your whole print area. But then the one we're really looking at is the rows to repeat at the top. So as we can look now, let's go to our print preview real quick. So it's here. Once first page, yeah, we got all those headers at the top. Now we go to the second time, they're just gone because it's just printing it without those. So how do we add those in? So we're gonna go here to the rows to repeat at the top. Let's go ahead and say we want to repeat just row 4 here. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna hit print preview again. So with this already on, now we're going to scroll down, and as you can see here, we do have those repeating at the top. So now we at least know which column it is. We don't have to mess around with a bunch of pieces of paper trying to figure out which column each number is from. It's very helpful if you have 20, 30 different numbers, pages and sheets of numbers. So let's also go back here. And let's say we also want to turn grid lines on to make it a little easier. So we turn grid lines on. It's going to print all our grid lines for us. So it's going to keep the data separate, which is also going to be very helpful in distinguishing what we need to do and which numbers we are. And the final thing I like to do is I like to go to the header and footer thing. And we're going to go over here, we're going to make a custom footer. The right section, we're going to go insert, we're going to do our page number. Page number, and we're going to hit space of space, and we're going to put this one right here, our total number of pages. So we do this, we're going to click OK. Now we're going to go to our print preview. When we look at it, it's going to go 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. It's very helpful. We do need to remove one thing though, because I did have a header on. So we're going to go back here and to simply remove this. We're going to go custom header. We're going to go ahead and just hit the delete key right there. Hit OK. We should be all set. Let's look at it one last time here. Print preview. You can see we got our titles at the top. We got our little date column headings right there. Got them right here. And in the top and the bottom of the right of the page, we have our 1 of 2, 2 of 2. That way we know which order they're in and how many pages we got total. So I hope this video is helpful in it by watching all this video. I'm sure you thought it was. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button. Also, check out this video right here. And this video will help you in the future. Thanks for watching.